Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn how to generate Google API Authentication token so that we can connect our Elementor form to Google Sheet. First, make sure that you have installed and activated Elementor Pro and Forms DB for Elementor Forms. Next, navigate to the Forms DB section from the Elementor tab. Go to the settings and click on this Google Cloud Console link. Now you have to create a new project. Enter the name of your project and click Create. Next we have to enable Google Drive and Google Sheet API. Navigate to Enable API and Services. Search for the Google Drive API and enable it. Similarly, search for the Google Sheets API and enable it. After enabling, let's create our client ID and secret key. Navigate to the OAuth consent screen and click Get Started. Under App Information, enter your app name and user support email, then click Next. In the Audience section, select External and click Next. Then, under Contact Information, enter your email address and click Next again. Complete the process by accepting the data policy and clicking Continue. Next, click Create OAuth Client ID. Set the application type to Web Application and enter a name. Click Add Authorized URI. You can access this redirect URI in the Forms DB settings inside Elementor. Copy the URI and paste it into the Authorized Redirect URIs field, then click Create. And you are done. Now copy the client ID and client secret key, and paste them into the Forms DB settings in Elementor. From your Google Cloud page, go to the Audience section and click Publish App. Now let's connect Google Sheets. From the Settings tab, click Generate Authentication Token and log in with your Google account. If a security warning appears, click Advanced, then select Go to Unsafe to continue. Allow the requested permissions and click Continue. That's it. Your Google API Authentication token has been successfully generated, and your Google Sheets integration is now connected.